Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk about general mathematics on the topic logarithmic functions. I solve for the following. The logarithm of actually 0.25, which is nothing but equal to 1/4. Okay, so solve for the following. The logarithm of 16 to the base 0.25 is what? And that's how we read this logarithmic expression. The logarithm of 16 to the base 0.25 or to the base 1/4. Okay, so pinakamagandang madaling method dito is by knowing the equivalence. Okay, that is, pag sinabi kasi nating logarithmic, okay, for sure, bago ituro sa inyo yung logarithmic, naturo na sa inyo yung exponential. Okay? Kasi may relationship sila. Okay, pag sinabing logarithmic, that is simply the inverse. Okay, inverse lang siya ng exponential. Last. Oh, pwede pa. Oh, okay. Ayan. So, ayan, logarithmic ay inverse lang yan ng exponential. Okay? Logarithmic and exponential functions, exponential, are inverse. Okay? So, naturo naman siguro na rin yung inverse. Pag sinabing inverse, parang, for example, kapag ganito, parang i-undo mo siya kumbaga. Okay? So, parang ganito. The logarithm of, how should I put this? The logarithm of 10, okay, is equal to 1. Okay? Kasi, wait lang. The logarithm of 10, yeah, tama. The logarithm of 10 is 1. Bakit? Ganito kasi yan. Kapag ganyan siya, walang nakalagay na base dito, automatic may 10 yan. That is what we call common logarithm. So bakit ka nasabing inverse sila? Kasi this is just the same as saying 10 raised to 1 is just equal to 10. Diba? In other words, kapag in-applyan natin to, tawag natin din exponentiation. Ayan. Tapos ito, in-exponentiate din natin. Kumbaga ito naging exponent siya. Okay, baga naglagay ka ng bagong base, tapos ginawa mo siyang exponent, ganun sa kabilang side. Okay, baga 10 raised to logarithm of 10 to the base 10. Kapag ganyan kasi, kapag same to sila, according to logarithmic law, same to sila, magka-cancel out yan. So 10 na lang natira. Diba? 10 na lang yung natira. And that is equal to 10 to the first, also equal to 10. Kaya ganun. Okay, so in general, ganito yung formula niya. Pag sinabi nating exponential and logarithmic functions, logarithmic. So, the logarithm of a na lang to the base b is equal to c. Now that is just equivalent. This symbol denotes equivalent. And it is just equivalent to b raised to c will give you a. Ganun siya. Okay, ibig sabihin yung sagot sa logarithm ay yung exponent natin. Okay, yung b, kaya nga b stands for base. Base siya sa exponential. Yun yung a answer sa exponential. Logarithm natin dito is answer sa exponential. So, tandaan yung ano na yan, identity na yan. So, parang ganun lang din dito. Yung logarithm of 0.25, logarithm of 16 to the base 0.25 or 1/4. Pwede natin siyang i-rewrite na lang as ganun na. Gawin natin 1/4. Logarithm of 1/4 as logarithm of 16 to the base 1/4 equals, i-treat natin to as x. Iyan. Ayan naman lagi ginagamit to denote na unknown siya. So, ang ano nito, equivalent nito in exponential is 1/4 raised to x. 1/4 raised to x. B raised to c equals 8. 1/4 raised to x equals 16. 1/4 raised to x equals 16. Okay? So, ganun yung gagawin dyan. Now, how to solve for x? Okay? So, basically, dapat pagtularin natin sila ng base. So, yung 16, paano mo ma-represent as 1/4? Okay? 16, paano natin ma-represent as 1/4? Diba? Ang alam natin, 1/4 raised to something. Ganyan. Okay, 16, represent natin as 1/4 yung base. So, ito na lang din. Alam natin na yung 16 ay 2 to the 4th. Yeah? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. Okay? Now, ang goal natin is magkaroon tayo ng 1/4 na base. Paano yun? So, of course, kailangan muna natin ng 4 as base. 2 to the 4th. Okay, so pwede natin siyang gawing 2 raised to 2 raised to 2. Yeah? 2 raised to 2 squared. Ganyan. Kasi kapag ganyan, baga andito yung exponent, as may exponent sa labas, multiply mo lang yun. So this is nothing but 2 squared. 2 squared, so 4 squared. So that is also 16. Okay? So ayan. Okay. Pwede natin siya ma-represent as 4 squared. So paano siya magiging 1/4? Okay? So, pwede natin tong erase to. Ayan. Erase natin to the ayan. Negative. Ayan. Yung 4 squared, which is 16, pwede natin siyang erase to negative first. Okay? Kasi, pag ganyan, marireciprocal to. Makuha yung reciprocal niya, which is 1/4 squared. May ganyan siya. Okay? Tapos, diba, since naka-raise into the negative first, so parang may dinagdag tayo. Pero kung i-raise ulit natin siya, okay, to denote na ma-reciprocate lang siya. So, yung ganito, ayan. So, negative first flip. So, ganyan siya. Malapit na maging 1/4. So, since 1/4 over 1 na to, 1 to, so may exponent siyang 2, di ba? Kasi 1 times 1. Okay, that's just 1. Or 1 squared. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, since may 2 yan, pwede nating erase. Labas na yung 2. Para maging 1/4 raised to 2 times negative 1, negative 2. And ayun na. So, since same na sila, 1/4 raised to x, that is equal to 1/4 raised to negative 2. Ibig sabihin, x equals negative 2. Diba? X equals, the answer is negative 2. And so this should be negative. Ayan. So try natin sa calculus. The logarithm of 1/4, the logarithm of 16 rather, to the base 1/4 is nothing but negative 2. So ganun siya. Okay? Haba lang ng process. Maiksi lang yan eh. Inanuhan lang natin ng habang ang process. I mean, hinimay-himay kasi. Pero kapag dire-diretso yan, maiksi lang yan. Oops. Para alam muna natin siya burahin. Okay. Ayan. Okay. And so next is itong baba. Logarithm of x squared to the base 10 yan. Ganyan sabi ko kanina, kapag walang nakalagay, automatic 10 yan. Automatic 10 yan. Pero madalas kasi, minsan kasi, e din siya. E yung ginagamit. E as in Euler's constant. Yung e. which is just equivalent approximately equal to 0.7, 18, 28, 18, 28, 45, 90, 45. Ayan lang kabisada kong number niya. Okay. Ayan lang. So, pag ganyan, E naman yung base natin kapag yung logarithm natin ay ln. Natural logarithm ang basa doon. Natural logarithm, ln. Okay, so ln of x to the base e yan. It is constant. So ito, kapag wala, nakalog siya, common logarithm. Okay, kapag walang nakalagay sa baba na base, automatic time yun. Ganyan siya. Okay, so ibig sabihin, dyan, okay, pag ko-convert natin siya into exponential form niya, that is equivalent to 10 raised to 2 to give you x squared. Ayan na, dito na sagot. 10 ay 2, same sila na exponents. Of course, dapat same sila ng base. Ibig sabihin, x equal to 2. That's the answer. Kasi, pag in-apply natin yan sa calculator, the logarithm of x squared or logarithm of 10 squared, that is 100. That is just 2. And that's it. Okay, so ang sagot dito ay negative 2. Yeah, ito yan, then ito is positive 10. And that's it. Actually, may iba pa palang method dyan. Ang ginamit ko lang ay yung reciprocal niya. Ay, sorry. Ito pala, hindi equal, hindi identical ang reciprocal sa inverse. Sinabi natin reciprocal. For example, pwede yung function naka-reciprocal or variable. Okay, yan yung naka-raise to the negative first. Reciprocal yan. That is just equal to 1 over x minus 1. Again, pag reciprocal, yung multiply mo sa number, it will produce a product 1. Okay, anong i-multiply mo sa x minus 1? Yan. To produce 1. So, of course, reciprocal niya. 1 over x minus 1. Kapag sinabi natin inverse sa function, applicable yan. So, dapat may function notation siya. Ang inverse niya ay f inverse of x. So, itong negative 1, hindi yan matitreat as exponent. Pwedeng sabihin natin superscript siya. Kasi hindi siya nag-behave like an exponent. Another example ay yung sa arc sine or sa inverse of sine. Diba? Kasi inverse trigonometric to eh. Isa pa, hyperbolic sine. Ano yan, sinh. Yan. Hyperbolic sine. So, may mga negative first. Ibig sabihin, inverse yan. Pero kapag yung function or yung variable lang may raise to the negative first, reciprocal lang yun. Pero kapag yung function na, okay, may superscript na negative 1, ibig sabihin, okay, inverse, ito kayo doon. And that's it. We learned something.